Hey everyone, it's Gardening with Ben here. So we're going to be creating an allium display down at the allotment. We're going to be planting them today in October, ready for them to start blooming next year. And the best thing about alliums is that bees absolutely love them. So if you're wanting to attract the bees to your allotment, which we need to do to help with pollination and help with our crops, get some alliums planted. And the best thing about alliums is that when they die off, you can chop them off and use the displays as dried flowers in your vases, etc., and they look absolutely stunning. So we've got 100 bulbs to plant today, which is a lot of bulbs. They're all different varieties of alliums. I would say the names, but I can't because they're too hard to say, but these are the ones that we've got, if you can read it. So we're going to get these all lined up and in position, and then we'll plant them all today and get them planted and get them growing ready for next year. So let's get them all positioned. So these are all the bulbs. The bigger the bulbs, the bigger the head will be on them, the bigger the flowers. So we need to get these positioned and get them lined up and ready to plant. So we've got them all positioned out. So now we just need to get them all planted deep enough so that they're protected and they can start growing. We've left a bit of space at the front so that we can plant some tulips later on. So yeah, let's get these in the ground. So now we've got all them planted in this area. So fingers crossed we'll have a fantastic display next year of them. So we've got them all planted now, so hopefully come next year they'll look absolutely gorgeous. That's if the squirrel doesn't eat them. Fingers crossed we'll net them over possibly to stop the squirrel from digging them all up. But yeah, make sure you give us a follow, give us a like, leave a comment, and stay tuned for when they come up in springtime, when we'll be sharing the videos then as well. Until next time, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben.